All right, y'all. Today we have a Brooder from Proshine. So we're gonna put this together. It comes with a waterer, wire for the lights. All right. Temperature control. I guess these are for the pads for the bottom. Cool. Water tank. Bag of hardware. Not sure what this is yet. Got some heat bulbs, ceramic heat lamp. That's cool. Okay, so top board, two side panels, like the bottom board, two sliding doors. This is the back. This is the bottom. This is the back. Top track, bottom track. I'm sure that's for the sliding door. So. And what they tell you to do, I guess there's a little gap up front. I'll show y'all. Bottom board, two side boards, and there's a space up front, I assume for the tracks. This is gonna go up front. There's also a hole in the middle. We'll do that too. Now we're going to attach the track part. Got a little sticker on it. Alright, so there's stickers on these. So you peel that off and then you got this. So this is the top rack. These are the handles. We'll tape off the back of it. Pretty much put it in position. Just like that. Now slide. Alright, so now it says install the digital thermostat. And so the top is where the hinges are. That's how you know this is the top of it, because it opens up this way. This is the thermostat. So I guess it snaps in. Yep. Okay, so yeah, that snaps in. Just put a little pressure on it. Alright, so now you connect the power cord. That's the temp control wire with plug. That's this thing. This is the 2-branch wire without plug. You can open that up. These branching wires, this end, not where it's split at, but this end, you take this and you hook it in to in here. So 2 and 3, blue, brown. Blue goes in 2, brown goes in 3. I'll go ahead and connect the back. So this the back. This little rectangle right here goes to the right side according to the picture. So we do this the same way. So this part goes to the front, the one with the window. Now this is the cord with the plug. I put it through the first hole and I'm facing the back of it. Brown goes in the 1, and then blue goes in the 4. That's the one with the plug. You got lamp bases. You got these. These are lamp bases. And so, according to this, we're going to attach the wires in this, in lamp bases. And what it looks like, now I'm following the diagram. On the picture, it's showing that up top. And so that's what I'm going by. So brown to the left, blue to the right. Alright, so now say use black pointed head screw to fasten the lamp bases to the left and right sides of the top board. Alright, well there's only one hole. Not sure why. And I'm attaching this how they got the picture. Then you grab these heat lamps. Got this cage. Put the bulb in there. And then it got this dimmable light that goes in the middle. Now I'm securing the top to it. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. You're about to see right now if I mess this up. Okay, the thermometer look like it's right. Let's see if the lights are. Oh yeah, we did it. And with this, it's just like the front part. They got some tabs right here on the inside, little black tabs. Slide this out, and then you just peel. Slide this back in. There you go. All right, so now let's attach the feeder box and the waterer. So it says use the nuts and bolts, which is this pack. It got some nuts and bolts in this. 4, I guess 2 goes in there. And this with the ramp facing, like sliding down, slides in this. And this goes on top of this. And what I'm doing is I'm putting the bolt on the inside and the nut on the outside. The feeder got a little top to it. Slide on it like that. And it looks like the waterer goes up top this way. I'm starting to think I was supposed to put the back on last, but it didn't say. That goes up there. Yeah, it came with Teflon tape, so I'm gonna use that. And they say you want these nipples pointed down so they don't leak. Pointed down. So I'm gonna put them down. For the feed box, watering. And of course I gotta secure all that. But that's that so far. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here and see if it holds. So that's what we're looking like. I put that down here just to see. I'm gonna test it out, put the birds in. This is my old little brooder setup. Got the tote, made a little top, so we're about to switch them out. See how they look inside. Definitely more compact. Of course, they gotta get used to it. We'll see how they adjust. We'll come back. See if they're walking around and if they like it. And I actually got it on 32 degrees Celsius. That's like 90 degrees Fahrenheit. I think when I looked, if I'm not correct, I'll put it on the screen. Press this to set it, up and down, do it, and I'm working on 32 degrees. So yeah, that's it. They're actually starting to eat. And that's the video, you guys. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you're looking to get you one of these brooders, you can check the description. I'll have everything down there for you. And yeah, if you got like day-old chicks, this is perfect for that, just to get them acclimated before you move them out to a bigger enclosure. So I definitely like this and plan on using it. I call it my nursery. All right, to the next one.